In this video, we're going to show the different types of fields we have available when creating a form on Zoho Creator. To create or to add a field, we will use the field section in the left side. We will select one of the fields we want to use and we will click on it and drag and drop the field in the position where we want it to be. Once we drop the field, it will be created. We will see a trash can icon where I can delete the field. When we delete a field, we have to be very careful because we will be deleting all the data we have been keeping in any of the registers of our system. So when we delete it, the system is giving us a warning to confirm that we really want to delete the field because we are going to lose all the information in this field. So we'll say yes and the field will be deleted. Once the field has been created, we can drag and drop it to change the position. We drop it in the position where we want it to be. In the forms of Zoho Creator, we can have a view in just one column or in two columns using the double column option. So I would have one field in the left side and one in the right side in all the form. Remember that every time we create a form and we add fields, we are also creating a report that is going to keep all the registers. For every field that we add to the form, we will be adding the field to the report by default. If we go to the right side of the screen, in the front end, what the final user can see, we can see that associated to the form, there is a report where I can see all the fields as columns and where I will see all the registers and the records that we add. We go back to the form and we're going to see every field to see the characteristics they have and why we can use it. First of all, we've got the field single line, which is a text field, and it can stock up to 255 characters. If we click on it, we can change the name of the field, tag, and we can also change the name of the variable we're going to use when programming the code, which is the deluge name. Next, we have the section validation. It's very common in all the fields, and it allows us to mark the field as mandatory. We can see that when we do any changes, we will see a yellow message in the upper side saying that the changes have been saved. And we will see that when we say that mandatory, we will see a red asterisk next to the name of the field. If we refresh the front end, we will see there is also the asterisk next to the name of the field. If we try to save the form without adding any information to the field, we will see we have this message saying it's invalid and we have to correct. And when we go to the form, I can see this message, this red message, and this message will be always when a field is mandatory, when it says that we need to enter a value. We also have the option to mark so that we don't have any duplicate values. So I cannot have two registers with the same value in this field. For example, in single line,